exploring the sweet world of candied yams. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the delicious and intriguing world of candied yams. This phrase might sound simple, but it carries with it a rich cultural and culinary significance. Let's explore what candied yams really means, its origins, and how it's used in both language and cooking. Get ready to expand your English vocabulary and your taste buds. Candied yams is a phrase that combines two words, candied and yams. Candied refers to something coated or cooked with sugar, often resulting in a sweet, crystallized texture. Yams, on the other hand, are a type of starchy root vegetable, similar to sweet potatoes but not the same. When we say candied yams, we're talking about yams that have been sweetened, usually with a mixture of sugar, spices, and sometimes marshmallows, and then baked. This dish is especially popular in American cuisine, particularly during Thanksgiving. Candied yams are more than just a sweet treat. They hold a special place in American culture, particularly in Southern cuisine. This dish is often associated with comfort food and family gatherings. It's a staple in Thanksgiving meals and is enjoyed by many as a symbol of celebration and togetherness. Understanding this cultural context can help English language learners appreciate the phrase's significance beyond its literal meaning. Let's get into the practical side. Preparing candied yams involves peeling and slicing yams, and then cooking them in a mixture of butter, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and other spices until they are tender. They are often topped with marshmallows and then baked until golden. This cooking process transforms the yams into a sweet, sticky, and delicious dish that perfectly balances the natural earthiness of the yams with the richness of sugar and spices. That's all for our journey into the sweet and savory world of candied yams. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this delightful phrase and its place in both language and cuisine. Whether you're learning English or just curious about different culinary traditions, candied yams are a tasty topic to explore. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll join us for more English language adventures.